Magiging intense na ang ating yung mga teams and players sa PBA ngayon kasi syempre dikit-dikitan na, di ba? It's all or nothing dito sa conference na to. Tapos, syempre, dyan lumalabas yung mga characters na players and mga whatever. Pero, okay, we want to define. Kasi ang dami ko nakuhang tweet dito kagabi. Grabe, parang kala mo ako yung nagagalit sila sa akin, pero hindi naman. Pero, we want to define arrogance and showmanship. There's a really, really fine line in between. Hindi kasi maano ng tao, kunyari may isang player like si Cardona. Pakayabang naman yan, kala mo kung sino, ganyan-ganyan. Hindi yun mayabang. I think hindi yun mayabang. I think it's showmanship. But what's the difference?
I think the difference lies in ability. Kung magaling ka, mahusay ka, if you can score, like 15, 20 points in a quarter, and you start showing emotion, ganyan or whatever, ganyan. You know what? You're entitled to that. So long as wala kang binabastos na tao dun sa court or in the Coliseum, wala kang binabadmouth, wala kang binibigay na below the belt comments, then I think it's well within a player's right to show happiness, to show yung gigil na talagang because these players want to win. And if they want to show emotion, I appreciate that. I like players who show emotion. Good for the league, good for the team. I think it's great for the fans unless yung team mo yung nakakawawa. Magaling na.
I guess yung mga tao on the other side of the fence would be the one calling the whole act as arrogance.
Hindi, but yun na nga, if one fan says na, mayabang yan, paano kung maniwala yung iba pang fans ng ibang teams? Unfair naman dun sa player, tatatakan mo siya na mayabang yung player niya. Sino ba to? Hindi, yun nga. Actually, sige. Okay. Sino ba yung mga binubo? Cardona. Tapos, Gary David. Binubo. I have no problem with Boo. It's okay. Pero yung tatatakan ka, sasabihan na mayabang. That to me, people have to see the difference na ano ang showmanship, yung ibang lang, pinapasaya mo lang yung game at ano yung pagiging mayabang.
Ikaw as a PBA fan. Ano ba ang take mo dito sa arrogance and sportsmanship?
Ako kasi, kagaya ng sinabi ni Nico, kung may ipagyayabang ka, do it. It makes the game more fun. Kasi masaya panoorin Si Jordan nung naka-anim siyang 3 against sport na nag-shrug. Ang saya It's a moment. It's something that you cherish. It's something that you watch over and over again. Kahit binag fan ako nung nakita ko si Gary David na tinitignan yung umaapoy niyang kamay, hindi ko nayabangan Sabi ko, mainit ka Ganun talaga
Yeah, that's right.
Pero naman, kung puro yabang ka lang at wala ka naman talagang natutulong sa team at hindi naman kayo nananalo.
Ano ang mayabang doon?
Mayabang? Siguro kung mag-Gary David moment ka na hindi ka nakaka-score.
Isang shot lang.
Mayabang ka!
Mayabang sa sarili mo. Nag-bad pass ka. Ganon.
Or yung once in a blue moon lang nakashoot tapos kumakaganong, kala mo forever niya na ginagawa yun, di ba? Yun ang mayabang. Ikaw, in your defense as a coach, when you see your players react that way,
let's say with Gary first and foremost, he has every right. He scored 30 points in 7 straight games. Where else are you going to see that? What they said, if somebody's going to be arrogant but not have anything to show for it, that's where it gets kind of irritating. But Gary, he works his butt off every day. He works so hard. I never see him trash talk with any opponent. No, he just shoots, goes back down. I guess syempre the fans naman, they like. The players they remember are guys who have some attitude or character or whatever. Give them something to remember for. Let's say look at guys like Tubid, Artadi.
Yeah.
They may not be the best players. They're good players, but the fans love them because they show so much emotion. Tubid with all his extracurricular motions and stuff, and the way he pumps the crowd up. Artadi with the way he used in his Pure Foods days and. These are the guys that the fans will remember. Si Cardona rin, kahit ang kulit, he's good. Diba?
I mean, we don't mind the booing. Diba? The booing is
Sa
actually...
akin, sa akin, booing is part of sports. Kasama yan. No? Kumbaga,
It makes everything fun.
parang booing is like it's a social activity. No? Parang bang, yay, we're united! Boo! Ano yan, it's a social activity. I don't think it's below the belt. Ang para sa akin below the belt is when you tweet a player at sasabihin mong, alam mo, yabang-yabang mo. Ganyan. I think that's below the belt because the player is just enjoying his profession. Nagpapasaya lang siya ng mga fans niya, ng mga tao. And you know, I feel bad kasi you're parang if this kumbaga pag masyado maraming fans ang ganyan ng gagawin na every time ay kunyari si Carlo becomes emotional. Tapos dadami yung sabi ko, alam mo, yumabang ka na. You're like discouraging PBA players from being emotional. Yes. We want players to be emotional. We want players to show ano yung nararamdaman nila na na gaano ka-importante ba yung laro nila. Kaysa naman you have a bunch of players na wala lang, just shoot and just parang
how
going
boring
through,
would that
exactly,
be, diba?
Just going through the motions.
Totoo
And then, wala silang haters because hindi sila napapansin. Diba? So,
paano kung 5 beses na naka 3 points tapos naglalakad ka lang parang wala lang.
Okay lang.
That is so boring. Seriously.
Okay lang yun.
Okay lang din.
Hindi naman kailangan lahat ng tao ay gumanyan ng...
Pero kasi usually yung mga
diba?
taong, yung mga players na nakakagano na yung performance, di ba syempre lalabas na talaga yung emotions nila and you can't expect them to just really hold it in. Kasi syempre kung ang saya-saya mo talaga, di ba?
Sana hindi ma-penalize yung emotional players na yun nga, mababrand sila na mayayabang. Kasi, di ba, kung ikaw player ka, sama loob mo. Nag-enjoy lang naman ako. I'm just trying to help my team win. Bakit mo sasabihin na...
Pump up
na mayabang ako. Pero yun nga, we go back to players na marami tayong kilala, na akala mo kung sino kumasta, pero di naman nakaka-contribute. Yun sa akin, ang totoong mayabang.
In short, if you cannot walk the talk, okay, just, keep it silent. Pero, I think, sinasabi lang namin dito is, kung merong thin line between arrogance and the showmanship. So, bago kayo mang-bash, or bago nyo i-judge yung player, make sure na, di ba, isipin nyo muna, ano bang ginawa na itong taon to? Kasi, di ba, kawawa naman!